Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Story. For those that are new here, today's video I'll be teaching you guys how I cook jollof rice for 200 people. So come along with me. If you're interested in watching this video, please keep on watching. So the first thing we do is just to saute some onions. Okay, so the next thing is to take our tomato paste and fry it in the salted onions. Okay, you continue to fry the tomato paste until it's very sweet. So you fry the tomato paste until it's very foamy. As you're seeing, it's just dissolving in the oil, but then we'll fry the tomato paste until it is very sweet. So once you fry the tomato paste, you will taste it and then it's sweet, and you know that yes, your tomato paste for your jollof rice is ready. And the reason that you fry your tomato paste for a very long time is so that the jollof rice is not sour. You know those type of jollof rice that you eat in eateries, some eateries that is kind of sour? It's because they don't fry the tomato paste very well. So you fry it very well before you add your peppers and any other thing. Okay, so you guys can see that the tomato paste is completely fried. I tasted it and it's now sweet. So instead of you having a sour jollof rice, this jollof rice is going to be very sweet. Next thing we're going to do is to start to add our pepper mixture. Like I said before, I'm going to drop the details of every single ingredient I use, but for my pepper mixture, the ratio is red bell peppers, attaché is more, then tomatoes, then atarodo, that's the scotch bonnet, and some onions, of course. After you add the peppers, you just wait for it to fry completely well. Then when it's fried, I usually like it to fry completely well before I add my spices and any other thing I want to add. So yes, I'm just going to be covering the pot now, waiting for this to fry, and then we'll continue the process. Okay, look at the juiciness, you guys. I have not added any spice, but this tastes amazing. It tastes sweet, and that's why I always advise for you to fry your tomato paste next. So the next thing I'll be using is this not chicken. I'll be using a whole pack. I bought the grinded one. It's 400 grams. I use it for a size 30 pot. So you mix that, and the next thing we're adding is some seasoning powder. So this seasoning powder, tasty cube, we're going to use this one for 2 pots. So I'm using half for this pot and half for that pot. It depends on whatever you want to season with, but I like to use these two things. It makes my jollof rice taste definitely amazing. You guys, I've been doing this for a while, so I know when it's half and when it's full. This is literally half. Okay, I'm bad like that. Next thing is to add some curry. I really don't measure this, I just add as the spirit leads. That's my cameraman's voice. She said the food goes sweet there, and that's on what period. The next thing we're adding is a stock. We're adding it inside the water. Just add the stock. If you notice very closely, I have not added salt. Salt is usually the last thing you add to your food so that it's not too salty. Am I clear? Students, are you learning well? Okay, please drop a comment if you've learned anything so far. Okay, yeah, so you guys, pretty much notice I've not added salt because the stock already has salt. So we'll just wait for that to boil a bit, then we'll add our rice. Okay, so you guys, the next thing I like to do after adding my stock is literally to add the rice. Okay guys, so I've added all the rice in the pot. Now you guys can see how rich and red this rice is. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to add a little bit of water, okay, so that it can cook. Cover this rice to cook for an hour, and after an hour we'll be back and you see how juicy our jollof rice is. If you're enjoying this video and you watch up until this point, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content.
This jollof is going to be like the best jollof you've never had this jollof in your entire life. Like I haven't even tasted it, but the process, the aroma, everything is like 100. 100. Only one Dylan healthy treat chef.
Zoom into the rice and your jollof rice ever. So you guys, if you follow my recipe, your jollof rice is going to turn out like this, and I promise you, you're going to come and thank me, literally. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.